fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm excited to share with you today some of my finds over at DIYChoose. I'm just going to jump in. Some of these are so cute, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys because I saw them and just was like, oh, some are cute, some are colorful. This one I got because sunflowers are our state flower. Ooh, this is so nice and soft to unroll. Love it when they're nice like that because that means that the creases and folds are going to come out of them easily. So standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. We have our drills nicely put in baggies. So for those of you who like to work in baggies or from baggies, they're all ready to go. And here is this cute little kit. It's just, now I've seen lots of sunflowers in like little buckets and things like that, but I really like this one because it's a fence and you can see the stalks of the sunflowers. If you've never seen a field of sunflowers, it really is amazing to watch them kind of track the sun. And there are a couple places, not as many as you would think, but a couple places near me where they actually plant them as a crop. So yeah, really interesting. Okay, this is a 30 by 30. It's got 20 colors, and we do have our schematic on both sides, so that's good. And we do have DMC codes on both sides, so that's awesome. The background is white. Again, not my favorite thing, but just something you deal with a lot at this size. It is the eye symbol, which makes it nice to cover up, so that's good. And it's nice and sticky. I'm trying to look here and see if there's any colors that I think will be difficult to tell apart. I don't think so. I think they did a pretty good job with that. So let's open our drills. Nope, let's measure first. I always forget that. I leave my little tape laying right there so I won't forget it, and then I always do. All right, so this is a little under 25, maybe a millimeter under 25 by 25. So it might have been my measuring, 25 by 25. This particular one is $4.59. Let me get the drills going and we'll see how they look. All right, so we've got lots of drill colors here. We've got, of course, our white. We've got like a dark butterscotch, a green, a very pale sage green, a little darker green. It's like a very pale gray, another kind of darker butterscotch color, a dark green, and then we've got like a burnt red, a dark purple, a very dark forest green, kind of a yellowish brown. Not sure what you call that color. And then we've got three different shades of yellow. We've got a bright yellow, kind of an orangish yellow, and then an orange. And then we have a very pale yellow, a very light gray, kind of a sagey brown, a very pale mauve, and kind of a milk chocolate brown. So there's all the colors for this one. And yeah, just super cute. Like I said, like this one because usually what I see is the sunflowers in a bucket. So I like the wood fence and all that. Rustic, I like it. All right, let me grab canvas number 2. Okay, the next thing that I've got is not actually a kit. These are stickers, but I just couldn't resist. So interesting, 2 toolkits, boat plate of wax pink pen in both of them, and then we get our drills. These are stickers, and they are all USA stickers, and I just thought they'd be really cute, either for me to do, or maybe I'll stick them in my DP for Vets prize package. Don't forget that's coming up in November, that event. Anything patriotic, but you've got 4th of July stuff, you know, all in the red and white colors. We've got the eagle, the USA, the Statue of Liberty, the flag. And then on this side, you've got all different kinds of things, hearts, flip-flops, Uncle Sam's hat, Statue of Liberty's torch, etc. So I just thought this was super cute. And then, of course, we have all the drills for this. Let's see how many drills we have. All right, so if I counted correctly, I think there's 49 or 50 stickers. I think 50, but I might have miscounted. So here we have our drills. And of course, as you'd expect, it's a lot of red and white. So we've got red, white, and blue. we've got blue, we've got red, we've got a very light gray. We do have some other colors. We've got an orange, a yellow, some black, a peach, a turquoise, kind of a reddish brown, a dark blue, and a darker red. So interesting that there's not really any white. It's all this kind of very pale gray. But I guess that's okay. And if you wanted to use white, we all probably have white laying around, so you could substitute that. Okay, third kit. This one is super colorful, and I just thought it was so cute when I saw it. Ooh, this one is nice and thin as well. Let me get this rolling. I always love it when they're thin. Makes them roll up better. All right. Standard toolkit again, boat plate of wax pink pen. Not my favorite way to get drills, but look at all those pretty colors. So we'll look at those in a minute. First, let's look at our adorable little colorful birds here. So this one actually has a black background for a change. We do have a schematic on both sides, 21 different colors, and it does have our DMC codes. And actually, this is not black. What color is this? This is a very dark purple. This background color is 550. Interesting. There's no 310 in this kit. Oh, I don't think I told you the price of the stickers. The stickers were $4.89. This one is $4.19. So let's measure this one here. It is just a little under 25 by a little under 25, like a millimeter under 25. So pretty close. I can't believe it doesn't have any 310. Nice and sticky where you need it to be. And just looking at this, it doesn't look like there's any symbols that would give me any issues. Of course, multi-placing for the background, but then lots of confetti in the little birds themselves. Let's look at our drills. All right, so we've got a lot of colors in this one, 21 colors. So we've got a blue, we've got kind of a pinky mauve, we've got a light turquoise, a green, a bright yellow, and then we've got this kit reminds me kind of cotton candy. So we've got this kind of sky blue, then we've got a darker sky blue, there's some pink, some more blue, and we've got two shades of pink here, like a very pale pink, and then like that bubblegum pink color. We've got some very dark blue. We've got, wow, that's all of the white in this kit. All right, and then we've got some purple, some kind of slate blue. Then we've got this darker blue. We've got, ooh, two more pinks. So a darker pink and then a slightly lighter pink. We've got two different shades. This is like a yellowish orange and this is like a dark peach. And then this must be our background color with all of this very dark purple. So lots of colors in this one, but I just thought they were so pretty. And actually, I don't know that I've ever done one of these with a dark colored background like that. Black certainly, but never something like this dark purple. So that'll be interesting to see what that one looks like. And this one, if I didn't already say, is $4.19. All right, one kit to go. I'll be right back. And the last kit for today, I just thought this one was so adorable. I can't wait to see how this one is going to turn out. All right, the canvas is a little bit stiffer than some of the others, but that's okay. So we get our standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen, and we get our drills in baggies for those of you who like baggies. Look at this little cutie. It's just this cute little fox. I thought this one was so adorable when I saw it. They actually had two that look sort of similar, but I like the facial expression on this one better. And again, I will put links to all of these down in the description box below. This one has 18 colors. Again, we do have our DMC codes. No 310 in this one. This one is a 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is a couple of millimeters under 25 by a couple of millimeters under 25. This particular one is $5.09. Not thrilled that the white background is the O symbol, but I'll make do for such a cute painting. All right, 18 colors. Let's grab the drills and see what they look like. All right, so lots of colors in this one. We've got a dark kind of smoky gray, a sage green, a very light kind of orangey tan, a light gray, a very pale pink, and then we get some of those kind of reddish butterscotch colors for the fox's fur, a very light gray, a dark brown, a light gray, kind of a very pale slate blue, a very pale sage green, a butterscotch, then we've got a pale peach, a milk chocolate color, another kind of greenish slate blue, a peach, another kind of dark reddish brown, and then of course we've got our big bag of white for the background. But I just love how cute this one is. I can't wait to see. They're all cute, like the sunflowers, like the parrots. Let me get these drills put away and I'll be right back for a quick recap. All right, so we've got our cute, sweet little fox here. We've got our colorful birds. We've got our pretty little sunflowers. And then, of course, we have our red, white, and blue stickers. Again, I will put links down in the description box below to all of these so you can check them out. They had some really cute stuff, so yeah, check them out. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.